Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore your deleted photos and videos on your Poco phone. To do it, go to the gallery and first I'm gonna delete a photo. So I'm gonna delete this one just by clicking on the trash, then delete. And now the photo wasn't yet permanently removed. After I click on delete, then it gets moved to the recently removed folder for about 30 days, and after these 30 days it will be permanently removed. So until then you have time to decide whether or not to restore it. So to restore it, go to the albums here, then go to recently deleted items, then you can click on what you want to restore or delete permanently now and click here to restore it, and it will be restored, or on the trash that was on the right to permanently remove it right now. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.